If you have a term account at pbtech.co.nz, then the Catalogue tool is a great way for you and your team to find your regularly purchased products. To get underway creating a catalogue, first you'll need to sign in. You'll be brought to your dashboard. This is where you can overview all of your PBTech activity. But today we're going to be using the Catalogue Manager, which is located in the sidebar. Here you can view and arrange all of your products already added to the catalogue. To preview your catalogue, click the link above. Let's go back and add another product. Click the orange text on the right called Add Content Block. There are 3 types of blocks you can use to create your catalogue: text blocks, image blocks, and product blocks. When adding product blocks, you're required to enter the product code. To find these, you can go on any product page on our website, and you'll see it in the orange text following part number. Once you're ready, hit Add Content Block button at the bottom. Now when we hit preview, you can see that we have our new products block. But maybe we want to change the order of things. Heading back to the Catalogue Manager, we can use the grey arrows to change the display order that the blocks appear in. Let's move this image block containing our title to the top. Inspecting our work, yep, everything's in order. Product blocks will be displayed in tidy tabs across your catalogue. For full control over your team's purchasing power, click on My Team in the sidebar on the left. Here you can customize each of your accounts connected to your company. Select a user and adjust their settings. You'll find the one we're looking for under Sign In Redirect. Change this from Dashboard to Catalogue. And now under Products Allowed, change this from All to Limited. Now this account holder will be directly taken to your catalogue and only can choose products from it. For more information on any of PBTech's web tools and services, hit the Services tab at the top of every page, or give us a call, we're always here to help.